everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up or create a new account for Coinbase. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser of your choice and in the URL box type in www.coinbase.com and press enter on a keyboard. From the main official web page of Coinbase, which looks like this, click on Get Started button at the upper right hand corner. You'll need to enter your information into the text boxes appearing on the display. Start by typing in your first name and then your last name on the next field. Enter an email address that you have an access to and select a password that you'd like to use for Coinbase. Type it in. You can also double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon in the right corner. Finally, after entering all of the information correct, click on this box right beneath that says, I certify that I am 18 years of age or older and agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. Finally, click the Create Account button and you'll receive a verification email sent to the email address that you provided just now. Open up your email service provider and you'll receive an inbox from Coinbase. Click it open and verify the email address by clicking on Verify Email Address. This will open up a new tab. Enter your phone number that you'd like to use into the phone number text box. Make sure to choose your country from the drop down as well. Finally, click on Send Code and enter the 7-digit code that has been sent to the mobile number that you just typed in. After you do so, click on Submit. Now, you can set up a bank card so that you can start by buying some cryptocurrency with Coinbase. Click on Set Up Bank Card at the bottom of the pop-up and enter your card information, its expiration date, CVC number, and postal code and click on Add Card. You can do this later on. Click on this cross icon at the top. If you want to transfer crypto to Coinbase, you can start transferring crypto to Coinbase or you can skip this step for now by clicking on this little link. Finally, you have successfully created a new account for Coinbase.com. This will be your main homepage for Coinbase.com. Next, you need to verify your identity in order to buy and start selling supported cryptocurrencies with Coinbase.com. That is how you can easily create a new account for Coinbase. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.